When Mother Nature brings you snow in spring, I can bring you the perfect place to escape that BS weather. This is a foodie's dream. This is St. Lawrence Market. This is Toronto. This is what's in your backyard. You know what the problem is?
What?
The problem is that it's hailing right now, which is not normal, right? Because it's April. So right now is the time, you know, the bars and the restaurants start taking out their patio furniture and they start dusting everything off because they're getting ready for summertime. This is Canada and we all know, but we're all pissed off nonetheless. What we decided to do is when the weather sucks, there's one really awesome place that we can go, and that is St. Lawrence Market. Because it's indoors, and there's food, and there's
lots of people, variety of everything.
And food. First stop, coffee. This farmer's market was operated in 1803. The first market building was a simple wooden structure located on King Street East. In 1830, it was replaced by a brick building with an attached two-story structure to the north. What's really amazing is that the market was rated as the #1 market by National Geographic. What?
So what's the story about the cheese?
This is a Stilton, English Stilton.
Sure, yes. Okay. This is blue cheese, right?
Blue cheese, yes.
Okay.
Delicious, full flavored, not too strong, fabulous on a hamburger, or you want to crumble it on a salad.
Okay.
Stuff it in a nice roast pork tenderloin.
Yummy. You like blue cheese?
I do like blue cheese.
Blue cheese? Check. And he's right, it tastes absolutely fantastic on a hamburger. Now, look at all this seafood. Can it be any more fresh? One thing you must do here is walk around and try all the delicious food samples. I highly recommend that.
This is a Spanish brand. It's based in Barcelona. Half of their products they're made in Spain, half of their products they're made in Italy. All the products they're gluten-free, non-GMO, dairy-free and egg-free, except for this one here because it has Parmesan cheese on it, so they're all almost vegan.
And you said that they're from Spain and Italy.
The
Imported.
company is based in Barcelona, in Spain, but half of their products they're made in Spain, half of their products are made in Italy. Like the black truffle one, because we don't have truffles in Spain. Made in Italy.
Okay, so that's nice taste. Yep. You have to try this, Gogo. It's very good.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Black truffle and mushroom sauce? Check. Now this building, the one that we are currently in, is the South Market. Between the main and lower levels, there are over 120 specialty vendors known for the variety and freshness of their fruit, vegetables, meat, fish, grains, baked goods, and dairy products, as well as for the uniqueness of the non-food items for sale. The second floor of the South Market is home to the Market Gallery, an exhibition space for the City of Toronto's cultural services. Now, you can only operate on food samples for so long before you just gotta get something to eat. I've circled around this place already, and I surrender. While Goga orders the classic Polish sausage, I go for that Montreal smoked meat, and trust me, besides poutine, our friends to the east are known for their smoked meat. Damn, it feels like the food is dancing around in my mouth. Wait a minute. Now, the North Market is primarily known for its Saturday Farmers Market, a tradition which began on the site in 1803 and continues till this day. The producers of Southern Ontario bring their seasonal produce to the market in the city.
What's the name of this place? train-in department?
Yeah, guys, try them all out. If you take a piece of bacon, dip it in the mustard, okay, guys? Taste out all those beautiful mustards. 40 flavors to try. Spicy hot mustard, hot horseradish on the left, savory mustards in the middle, sweet heat and mustard barbecue sauces on the right side. Just take a pretzel, a toothpick, a piece of bacon, and dip away, guys.
Well, these are all different types of mustards?
They're all different mustards, yes.
Oh.
All different flavors of mustard.
And you guys sell them here?
Yeah, whole wall of mustard right there behind me. So one of the cool things about mustard is it's this ingredient you can pair with any kind of ingredient.
Yeah, on Sundays, over 80 antique dealers fill the North Market and the surrounding plaza to sell their goods. The last part of this complex, just north of the North Market, is the beautiful St. Lawrence Hall. But before we get into all that, like a moth to a flame, I smell honey.
Please finish in one single bite because it drips.
Oh, okay.
So you
Oh, wow, that's
only
a lot.
1 second. And then pretty good.
This tastes amazing. Okay, so what is this?
It's honeycomb, orange blossom honeycomb.
Oh, beautiful. So what would be the most popular honey?
The most popular is a honey that comes from Tasmania, from
Okay.
rainforest. It's a leatherwooded tree blossom.
Okay.
It is the most popular, and it is the most purest honey in the world. Come from Tasmania, which is free of bee diseases.
Wow.
Beekeepers never use any chemicals.
Okay, that's what I...
And taste-wise,
So
it's
there's the chemicals in the other honeys?
because of the bee diseases, sometimes beekeepers have to spray their beehives with drugs, with antibiotics.
Okay.
And of course, yes. And there's no need to use any drugs.
Okay, so this is Tasmanian,
And best
the
honey in
most
the world.
purest honey.
Yes, and taste-wise, the best.
Oh my God, it tastes...
Whoa.
Oh my God, it tastes like... so what's the...
It tastes like flowers.
Yes.
It's a leatherwooded tree.
Okay.
Damn, if I eat any more honey, I will start attracting bears. So good though. The last thing before we go, dessert. Ah, man, this place. So many choices. You can leave a comment below with all your favorite dessert choices and what I should have gotten, but I went for the simple red velvet cupcake. Ever since eating one in Montreal, I think that is now my new favorite. I mean, look at it. Before I forget, we'll explore both St. Lawrence Hall and the North Market in a future video. For now, you can see it in this closing drone shot. St. Lawrence Hall was built in 1850 and today it houses retail businesses and city offices on the first and second floors. The third floor contains a great hall which is available for rental for weddings and for other special events. That's it for us. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers.